Hey everybody, so we're gonna try to redo the screen recording of home smoke alarm searches in Chicago, Illinois. I think I've looked at that one. Yeah, I've looked at that one. I've looked at that one. This one I don't think I've looked at yet. So let's see what, wait, never mind, I have looked at this one. Sorry, I had to end another screen recording because one of my friends wanted to FaceTime me. Alright, let's see what's in here. Wait, I've already checked that one. Okay, Alright, let's see what's in here. I've already checked this one. It's just... Let's see, what's in here? Have I looked at this one yet? Wait. Is that a super rare carbon monoxide alarm, or... I can't even tell. I can't really tell. Either it's two smoke alarms or one CO alarm of some sort. It's not one of those rare ones. Bummer. I like looking at these apartments because, yeah, it's from 2007, so that's probably original to the place. Okay, let's see what's in here. What do we have? Ooh, a BRK 1839N. I think my uncle used to have one of these. I'm not sure, though. Alright, let's see. Where's the best angle to screen record this? And a smoke detector for a burglar alarm system of some kind. This might go in the thumbnail. Glad to find a BRK 1839N. Although I do hear a joke going around about those. I forget what it is though. Oh yeah, I think I remember now. The 1839N nightmares. Oh yeah, it's probably interconnected. Let's see if I can figure out how to get this in the same screenshot as this smoke detector. Let's see. There's a good angle. Here, this is probably good enough. I really want that. I wish I could just, like, reach through the screen and replace it myself. That would be awesome if I could do that. If I had the power to do that. Oh, look. A third story. Oh, this looks like an attic of some... Or, no, wait, it's not an attic. Another 1839N. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I also like the track lighting that's here. Alrighty. Very cool find, I must say. 1901. Those smoke alarms are probably from the 90s. Alright, that was cool. Let's see. Have I looked in this one before? I don't think I have. Although I have heard Chicago tends to have some really cool stuff. Ooh. Let's see. Is there any way I can get another view of that? Ooh, is that BRK 86RAC? Alright, let's see if I can get a good screenshot of it. It looks like the battery compartment's just left open. Let's see. Is there any way... Yep, it's a BRK 86RAC. We're getting to some big BRK classics here. I actually have a N86R AC 2nd gen that my aunt gave me. It was a few weeks ago that she gave it to me. She gave it to me over Thanksgiving break. I was really glad to finally have that. It does code 1 too, so is that the only smoke alarm in this place? Or in this specific apartment space? Okay, I really do not want to lose this screen recording. Okay, yeah, that probably replaced the 70s smoke alarm of some sort. Hampton House? I wonder why it's called that. Alright, let's see. We've already looked in that one. Yeah, we've already looked in that one. Already looked in that one. Because that one has that elevator. I did that one the first time. That what appears to be a Montgomery elevator of some sort. Alright, let's see. Have I looked in this one? Yeah, I have looked in this one. Alright, let's see what's gonna be next on our list to do. Ooh, let's see what's in here. We may have some modern stuff. Or it looks like it's been updated, so the house, unless they kept the original smoke alarms, which I highly doubt they would have. Question is, were there smoke alarms in the third? Oh, it's one of these. I've been in this one before. Let's see. Let's go to the stairs. Let's see if there's something down here. Yeah, there's nothing. There's really no smoke alarms in there. That's a problem. If it were me, I would have definitely put smoke alarms in there. Unless there's some hidden. Oh, I don't think I've looked in this one yet. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, a fire X. Let's see, is that a ramp up or is that an early code 1 AD? Alright, let's screenshot it to get a closer view. Well, that's depending on what year, that may either that's just a regular Fire X AD, ADC, or an AD ramp up. Like the ramp ups I have. Oh no. Seriously, you gotta leave a smoke alarm hanging like this? Considering I actually had that for about a year or two, or it was 2 years I had that. In 2011, I had 2 smoke alarms chirp in the middle of the night. And let me tell you, I was in a bad mood that night. Because I had to go to school that morning. And then the smoke alarms would not shut up. So, I ended up ripping that one out of the ceiling that that wouldn't stop without me changing the battery, and I think I threw it in the trash can from a high distance. I was that mad at it. It was a 4120B. I mean, I hated smoke alarms at the time. I've always been an elevator kid. So the only smoke alarm that's even here is this one that's on the wall. That reminds me of a house that another collector filmed. He got a new house, and then all the 80s were broken, and then there was an I-4618 downstairs. So, yeah. Well, that was cool. I was glad to find something like that. Alright, let's see. Have I looked in this one? Let's see what's in here. Is there, a burned out ceiling light, of course. That's some dark humor. Oh, there must have been a smoke alarm there, but they just put a plate over it. That's ridiculous. Why do you do that? I definitely would have seen if those are smoke alarm wires. And then if they were, I'd put one in. No smoke alarms in this house? How did they even let them put this house up for sale? Or, well, let's see. Let's go down the basement. Oh no, looks like it's wet down here. There may have been a flood. Let's see, oh, there's the breaker panel. Nope, no, there's no smoke alarms in here. Or you know what, there may be a fire alarm system if this is an apartment. Let's see. I swear, where was that? We may have... Let's see, what's in here? 1968, okay. We may be promising, who knows? Oh, Annoying Orange uploaded something. Hopefully it's something to do with whoopee cushions. Or whoopee cushions, yeah. I'm hoping it's something to do with that. Wait, what? Oh, this is ridiculous. Of course, people like to be lazy and just leave smoke alarms missing like that. I would be all over that if I were getting this place. Now, it looks like there may have been a policy manual there, or... By the way, guys, I created my own policy manual meme. So, if you go on my Instagram, you'll see I think my latest post, other than my pinned ones, is my meme that I made. Let's see. No way, that looks like it just has simplex smoke detectors of some sort. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, just one of these. I was hoping for a BRK of some sort. Oh, look! We got the hallway. Ooh, that's a pretty neat looking exit sign. Oh, yeah. See, yeah, there's smoke alarms in here. Is that an elevator? Yo, that is a beautiful elevator. That looks like it has C.J. Anderson of some sort. Or James may have found this one. I'm not sure. That's pretty cool. I would love to film that. I wonder if it's an old Esco. Probably not an Esco, but maybe an Otis. I'm not sure. There was this one. I'm going to look for that one. Alright, let's see. Is this it? Alright, let's see. Yeah, this one looks familiar. This may be it. Yep. The CO5120B. How about this? But who leaves who leaves a smoke alarm hanging and then just has a carbon monoxide alarm? If it were me, I would take down that CO5120B and I'd keep it like I did with mine. But then I would probably put a plate over that and then or no, wait, I'd probably put a 4120B. I'd probably put the 4120B that's upstairs. I'd probably move that to the other one, like where the CO plug is, because I can do that. I did that with mine. I put a 4120B where the CO5120B was. And then, yeah, see, this is the violet interconnecting. Okay, yeah, this is by far the highlight of 2023. Either that or the 1839 ends. Or maybe that first alert I happened to find that one day. But yeah, who leaves that hanging like that? See, yeah, that's a violet interconnecting wire. That's what mine has. My violet one has not been, like... My violet one has not even been wired up. Because there's no interconnecting. The only carbon monoxide alarm there was that CO5120B when I first moved in here. And then I took the old alarm down because it didn't work. I noticed the AC power had shorted out on it, so... And it was barely beeping. I think a power surge may have zapped the horn. I'm not sure. It was one of those where smoke alarms suddenly started going off. Like in the middle of the night. I had that several times. Every time the power would flip to my house, either the burglar alarm system would start going off or the smoke alarms would start going off. Usually the smoke alarms would. They would go off for about 4 or 5 seconds. About the amount of time that they go off when I test them with the smoke can. Now, I decided to do a video where I tested them all because I finished the project literally last week. It was awesome. Let's see. I'm very glad that I got that successful project done. All right, let's see. Oh, look. What's this? Ooh, a G6. I wonder if this one is code 1 or code 3. Why is there an outlet there? Yeah, I'd probably put a plug-and-play carbon monoxide there. I mean, that would not be a bad idea. We're coming across some cool arms. I'm also trying to find those homes that those with those epic smoke alarms that I ended up not being able to that I lost that screen recording. I was very bummed when I discovered it wasn't rolling anymore. I was like, yeah, I was very mad, disappointed. So I'm trying to remake it the best I can. It's not going to be exact. Let me tell you, I found some good smoke alarms in that one. There was one time I found GEs in a house. Ooh, looks like we have a deck of some sort. There's a smoke alarm of some sort. I see one right there. Is that a kidda? Oh, it's one of those. So there's a G6 and then one of those kiddas. Really close to each other. Really stinking close. Alrighty. That's pretty good so far, I must say. Let's see. What's in this one? It's worth the look. Or no, yeah, that's the one with the G6, I think. Or I may have forgotten to look at a floor. I forgot to look down in the basement. Whoops, what am I doing? Boy, am I tired. Let's see. Oh, because I can't access the basement. Oh, well. Let's see what's in here. What are you doing? Oh, 2006. I hate how this is being. Alrighty. Okay, just I-4618s. I've screenshotted many of those, so no need to do it again. I was really hoping for an SC6120B. So those, yeah. Let's see, what else is gonna... Did I look in... No, I haven't looked in this one yet. Let's see. I remember finding that CO5120B in the past. But let's see. That was a pretty neat find. So let me tell you though, yeah, I really don't need that CO5120B because I already have one. Or you know what? I still would try and get it anyway, knowing how rare those are. Because mine doesn't even work. Oh no, please see manual. Alright, I think we're gonna look at one more house. Or apartment. So it's the home home smoke alarm search Chicago, Illinois apartment edition. So yep. Hopefully we'll come across something good for this last one. Oh, that one's gutted. That one must be under construction. Okay, let's see what's in here. 1999. Okay, we might be getting lucky. Who knows? Okay, was that a smoke alarm or a sprinkler head? Oh, look. It's one of these. I have a friend who might like these. Because he's into, like, Google Nest Hubs and all that, so... I've never really owned one of these. I never really found these that fascinating. Although they would tell you, heads up, there's smoking wherever you're home. It is. Those must have replaced SC6120Bs or 4120Bs, because is this how either that or Fire X's of some sort. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put that CO. Or you know what? Let's see. Is that? Oh yeah, there is definitely a 4120B or a CO and a CO5120B here. Why do you leave the wire boxes like that? Yep, there definitely used to be one. Or wait, is that capped off or is the wire harness still in there? It's a purple. It's a purple wire, so yeah, that proves that used to be a CO5120B. I have a friend who just left his, like, his doesn't even work, but his he just left his disabled, and then he put it back on the ceiling, and it's not even operative. I really want it, but I don't think I can have it. Yeah. I just wish I still am bummed that my neighbors got rid of that SC6120B that they had in that hallway upstairs. And then they had 4120Bs that looked exactly like the one in the house that the CO5120B was in, with the smaller LEDs and not the big ones like mine have. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna end it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.